Everyone, this is Jason at SportsBoxBreaks.com coming to you live on 3/2/2026. I'm doing a hit recap from our 2025 Top Stadium Club 4-box hobby break number 1. Guys, all the reds that got pulled are encased, but there's so many of them. You can see the full video, okay, for those. But here is some numbered cards and the oranges and other parallels. So Max Fried was the only numbered card we pulled to 199. All right, a bunch of oranges here. All right, starting off, we got Cam Smith, Adley, Tarek Skubal, Sammy Sosa, Bobby Witt Jr., Ryan Zimmerman, Willie Adames, Aaron Judge. All right, other color parallels that aren't numbered. Rhett Lauder, blue. We got a Trout, black and white. We got a pink, in case of emergency, rookie, Jacob Wilson. And we got a Chase Medroff, blue. Autos. We pulled two yellows that aren't numbered, but are parallels. Adam Mazier and Chandler Simpson. We got a Thomas Segis, Rafi Furcal, and a Spencer Steer. All right, guys, I'll get this shipped out this week from PA. Appreciate you filling it up. More baseball on the site.